So can you hear my voice?
Yes, Maestro. Sorry, it was muted, no?
Okay, sir.
Sharing the screen.
So can you keep your screen in the landscape?
Okay, okay. I will change. Just a minute. That day we started metals and non-metals, right? Am I audible, pa? Is it okay? You can see, right? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, the last class we discussed 2 weeks before about acid and metals and non-metals, right? That we completed.
Yes, sir.
So, which chapter will start today? எந்த டாபிக் எடுக்கலாம்? உங்களுக்கு டவுட்ஸ் ஏதாவது இருக்கா இதுல? பாஸ்ட் கேஸ் क्वेश्चंस பண்ணலாமா? மெட்டல்ஸ் நான் மெட்டல்ஸ் எந்த யூனிட்ல பண்ணலாம்? மெட்டல்ஸ் நான் மெட்டல்ஸா, ஆசிட் பேஸா, ஆர் கெமிக்கல் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸா? which unit we will do?
The chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction. Okay, then it's better. All of you can see that screen, right? So mention the 4 information given by an equation. Mention the information given by an equation. So what are the information we can get from the equation? In a balanced chemical equation, we can say, so what are the information we can get, ma? When you are writing the reactant, so reactant gives product, which gives product. So the state we can mention, what is the physical state present, whether it is solid, liquid or gas, and then if it is evaporating, and types of reaction, chemical formula, so many things we can give. So when the balanced equation, from the balanced equation, we can show the nature of reactant. Nature of reactant means what? Nature of reactant and product means what is the meaning? அப்படின்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? And products. That means whether solid, liquid, or gas, physical state. Okay. And then chemical formula of the reactant or product. Chemical formula. And then the third one, types of reaction. Whether it is a redox reaction or oxidation, reduction, substitution, addition, the type of reaction we can say. And then mole relationship. How many moles of reactants required for that particular reactions? Moles of mole relationship. So these are the information we can get from the balance diagram. Then what else we can say? Precipitator, gas, எல்லாமே நம்மளால சொல்ல முடியும். Okay, so these are the things you can write. And then state the law of conservation of mass. சொல்லுங்க, law of conservation of mass என்ன? I'm audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the law of conservation of mass?
The mass can neither be created nor be destroyed.
That's all. So the mass is an isolated system. Okay, so which can be neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So according to this conservation of mass, the mass of product in a chemical reaction must be equal to mass of the reactor. These are the things we have to write. So first one, mass is an isolated system. Number one. At another, what does the law say? Which can neither be created nor be destroyed. By chemical reaction. And then, so according to the law of conservation of mass of product in chemical reaction must be equal to mass of reactant. So according to law, mass of product chemical reaction is equal to mass of reactant. So this will be the law of conservation. Okay, va? இந்த மாதிரி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட், write a balanced equation for the following reaction. One is dilute sulfuric acid react with aluminum powder. You tell me, what is that reaction happen when dilute sulfuric acid react with aluminum? So what is the product you will get? And also you tell me what type of reaction is this?
Sir, displacement reaction.
Tell me that reaction. Correct. Displacement only.
Sir, sulfuric acid plus aluminum gives aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate plus hydrogen.
Plus
hydrogen.
So it will be a displacement reaction, right?
Yes.
So aluminum is a solid, sulfuric acid is a liquid, and Al2SO4 thrice aluminum sulfate is a precipitate, and then hydrogen gas. You balance that equation.
The 3H2SO4 plus 2 aluminum gives aluminum sulfate plus 3 hydrogen.
Good. Okay. So we can say this like this and like this. So இந்த மாதிரி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் நமக்கு தெரியறத போடணும். And then second one is Dilute hydrochloric acid react with sodium carbonate. Dilute hydrochloric acid react with sodium carbonate. Can anyone tell that equation?
The sodium chloride, sodium carbonate.
Sodium chloride.
One second.
Then
1 second.
So plus water plus carbon dioxide.
Then you balance that equation. Balance this equation.
Sir, 2 hydrochloric acid, 2 sodium chloride.
2 hydrochloric acid, 2 sodium chloride. So everything will be settled out. What type of reaction is this? Is it displacement reaction either?
Double displacement.
Double displacement. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா நியூட்ரலைசேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன் சொல்லணும். ஆசிட் பேஸ் ரியாக்ட் ஆகி சால்ட் கொடுக்குது இல்லையா, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்கறத வந்து நியூட்ரலைசேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன். Third, carbon dioxide passed through lime water. Anyone? Carbon dioxide passed with lime water. What is the formula for lime water?
Calcium hydroxide.
Very good. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus H2. இது என்ன reaction?
So double displacement.
Good. அடுத்து எதுனா fourth question. What happened when dilute hydrochloric acid to solid sodium carbonate? So dilute hydrochloric acid added to solid sodium carbonate. So மேல எழுதுனது தான் என்ன ரியாக்ஷன் நடக்கும் பாருங்க. சேம் ரியாக்ஷன் ரிப்பீட்டட். இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க, சாலிட் எது, லிக்விட் எது, கேஸ் எதுன்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ண போறீங்க. ஸோ Na2CO3 solid plus when 2HCl aqueous or liquid, it gives 2NaCl which will be in solid, so which will be in liquid. ஏன்னா HCl போடும்போது டிசால்வ் ஆகி வரக்கூடிய பை ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து வாட்டர் வருது லிக்விட் பிளஸ் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு கேஸ் வந்து வெளியே போகும். ஓகே, and then second question. Quick lime is treated with water. What is quick lime?
The calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide. So calcium oxide solid plus water liquid. And what is the product we will get? Quick lime gives the
Calcium hydroxide.
So what is calcium hydroxide?
Lime.
It's liquid lime.
It's a lime water. So that will be aqueous plus heat correct. And third, fourth line. Sodium chloride solution added to lead nitrate solution. Sodium chloride solution is added to lead nitrate solution. So what reaction we will get? Which reaction takes place?
So double displacement.
PbNO3 twice plus NaCl aqueous. This will be aqueous. It gives PbCl2 plus NaNO3. It's aqueous, right? You have to solve that, no? When you're solving, what you will get?
Sir, 2 NaCl, 2 sodium nitrate.
Very good. At the fifth question. Write the chemical equation with an example for the following change. Number 1, change in color. For the change in color, if you take
Sir, iron and copper sulfate.
என்னமா சொல்லு
We can take iron and copper sulfate.
Very good.
Sir,
Iron and copper,
iron plus copper.
iron and copper sulfate pentahydrate. It will become blue color. So what will happen? It become ferrous sulfate plus copper.
Yes, sir.
So it become pale
Pale.
green color.
Pale.
Okay. Another example, when you take lead nitrate is a colorless solution. Okay. Aqueous. Colorless. When you treat with potassium iodide, it will give lead iodide. Solid plus potassium nitrate. Aqueous. So it become yellow color. Okay. So this reaction has happened. Second one. Change in color, change in temperature. Change in temperature. Is a reaction. Change in temperature.
Sir, quicklime plus water, sir.
What happened?
So it will form calcium hydroxide plus heat energy.
Okay. Good. Quicklime என்ன?
Calcium
oxide plus water
Water.
gives calcium hydroxide plus
Heat.
so change in temperature. Same way, any metals with a dilute acid. And then hydrogen gas. So this is also change in temperature happen, heat will be released. Okay, va? Third, formation of precipitate. Formation of precipitate.
So barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate gives barium sulfate plus aluminum.
Very good. Barium chloride plus aluminum chloride sodium sulfate எடுத்துட்டா better.
Sodium.
ஏன்னா அலுமினியம் போது AlCl3 மாறும், Al2SO4 ட்ரைஸ் எழுதணும். இது என்ன? You can write Ba self balanced equation. 2NaCl. So the precipitate, it will be the easiest and very good example for that. ஆறாவது question. Complete the following chemical reaction. நீங்களே ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Number 1, calcium carbonate plus HCl. சொல்லுங்க, ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க. Number 2, aluminum plus HCl. Number 3, MnO2 plus HCl. Answer. சொல்லுப்பா. இத பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணி என்ன கிடைக்கும்? when calcium carbonate react with dilute HCl.
Sir, calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water.
Very good. Calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Balancing.
One second, sir. 2 HCl.
So remaining will be, rest will be balanced, right?
Yes.
Then aluminum plus HCl.
Yeah. So aluminium chloride plus
Aluminum
hydrogen.
chloride is AlCl3. Then hydrogen.
AlCl.
Balancing.
One second, sir.
So
Balance
2
பண்ணுங்க.
Al6 HCl gives 2 Alc3 plus 3 H2.
Good. Gas. இது aqueous. Solid. Gas. Liquid. Aqueous. Solid. Solid. Aqueous. Okay. Next, MnO2 plus HCl.
Sir, MnCl2 plus H2.
MnCl2. Good.
Sir, 2 HCl.
2 HCl.
MnCl2. Sir, MnCl2 plus H2, sir. H2.
H2.
H2O.
Okay. Then
Cl.
balance ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir. Balance.
Plus it liberates chlorine gas also. Another, when you are titrating potassium permanganate with the ferrous sulfate or oxalic acid, you will add dilute sulfuric acid. You never add HCl. What is the reason? No? When the MnO2 is a strong oxidizing agent, you will not add HNO3 or HCl because it will easily get oxidized as chlorine gas or NO2 gas. If you are using HNO3, NO2 gas will liberate it. HCl, chlorine gas will liberate. Okay. Balance.
Sir, 4 HCl, 2 water, sir. 2 H.
4 HCl, 2 water. Okay. MnCl2, aqueous, liquid, yes. Okay, good. 7. When hydrogen gas is passed over heated copper 2 oxide. நான் இந்த கொஸ்டின் எழுதுறேன், இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Oh, sorry. State the reason for the following. Number 1, potato chips manufacture. Fill the packet of chip with nitrogen gas. Why?
Sir, for the potato chips not to get rancid, sir. For
அப்ப எப்படி எழுதணும்?
to avoid
To prevent rancidity. So the manufacturer fill the packet of with chips with the nitrogen gas. Next, very good. Next term. Iron particles are shining when it new. But get coated with a reddish brown powder when left for some time. Why? Why, pa? Answer this question.
Sir, when the iron article is kept for a long time without any use, it gets rusted by a brown.
Very good. So it happens due to rusting. Rusting and corrosion. That is the reason why it was brown color. Okay. And the 8th question. Good pa. சரி இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. When hydrogen gas is passed over heated copper 2 oxide. Copper and steam are formed. Okay. Write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. Okay. And we have to write the so which substance oxidized and reduced. So we have to you have to answer for this. சொல்லுங்க என்ன reaction? Copper 2 oxide. What is the formula
H2
for copper?
plus
What is the
copper 2
formula for copper oxide?
CuO. CuO.
CuO va.
So H2 plus CuO gives Cu plus H2O.
This is what type of reaction first?
Displacement reaction. See,
Displacement.
redox
Huh?
reaction. Redox reaction.
Very good. So which is oxidized, which is reduced?
Sir, hydrogen is reducing agent.
Which is oxidized, which is reduced?
Sir, Cu copper oxide is reduced to copper. Hydrogen is oxidized to water.
Appo substance oxidized is H2. Why? Because hydrogen oxidation state another 0 to when goes to here it become plus 1. Correct? Am I right or not, ma?
Yes,
oxidation number of hydrogen. So oxidation number increase, that's why it is oxidized. Okay. What is the substance reduced? Which is the substance reduced?
Copper.
Copper oxide. Because the oxidation number plus 2 to 0. புரியுதா புரியலையா?
Understood.
at the 9th. So I will write the reaction. You have to say whether it is a combination, decomposition, displacement அப்படிங்கறத சொல்லணும். Zinc carbonate, it gives zinc oxide plus CO2. All of you write the answer. First equation எழுதிடலாம். Lead plus copper chloride gives lead chloride plus copper. Number 3, sodium bromide plus AgNO3, it gives AgBr plus NaNO3. Number 4, H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. Number 5, Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives Al2O3 plus 2Fe. Number 6, 3H2 plus N2 gives 2NH3. Now you answer. First one,
So first one, decomposition.
the second one, good.
Displacement, sir.
Displacement.
Displacement.
Number 3,
Double displacements.
Double displacement.
so whenever you are forming the precipitate, it becomes double displacement. Fourth,
Combination.
Combination.
fifth,
Displacement. Yes.
Displacement.
sixth,
Combinations.
Combination.
very good. So நீங்க ரெண்டு பேர் தான் கௌஷிக்கும் ரோஹித் மட்டும் ஆன்சர் பண்றாங்க. வாட் அபவுட் தி அதர்ஸ்? They're not opening their mouth. சரி. 10th question. When iron rod is kept dipped in copper sulfate solution sometime, a brown coating is formed on the iron rod. Iron rod kept dipped in copper sulfate solution for some time. அது என்ன கொடுக்குது? Brown coating. Brown coating is formed on the iron rod. Okay, what change will be observed in the color of the solution? Write the chemical equation for the reaction involved. சொல்லுப்பா.
So when the iron rod is dipped into copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate gets displaced and the brown color of copper is attached to iron rod and the color of the solution changes to uh, pale green color.
Very good. Correct answer. Eleventh problem. Identify each of the following reaction and also write the balanced chemical reaction. The reaction become warm. என்ன reaction சொல்லணும்? இதுதான் கொஸ்டினே. The reaction mixture become warm. in a reaction. What is the reaction?
Exothermic.
Very good. Give the example. நம்ம முன்னாடி எழுதணுமே அதே எழுதலாமே. Reaction
Sir, so the formation of lime water, sir.
So the calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide plus water gives calcium hydroxide plus heat, and then an insoluble substance is formed. An insoluble substance is formed. அதுக்கு என்ன எழுதணும்?
Sir, precipitation reaction.
Very good. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன சொல்லணும்?
Precipitator.
Precipitation reaction, otherwise double displacement reaction. Okay. Example, same example. Barium chloride, sodium sulfate, and then barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Okay.
Sodium chloride. A solution of X is used for testing carbon dioxide. Write the equations of the reaction X with carbon dioxide. மறுபடியும் சொல்ற question. Solution of substance X is used for testing carbon dioxide. Okay. Write the equation of the reaction of X with carbon dioxide. One. And how is X obtained? Write chemical equation. சொல்லுப்பா. Sir, for testing carbon dioxide, the X element is calcium hydroxide.
X is calcium hydroxide. Very good. How it react with carbon dioxide?
Sir, if it passes excess carbon dioxide to form, so should I say the equation, sir? Carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate plus H2O.
White precipitate. Okay. So then how it is obtained? How will you prepare that calcium hydroxide? மேல இருக்க ஆன்சர் அப்படியே எழுத வேண்டியது.
Sir, calcium, same, sir.
இப்போ நான் எழுதுற क्वेश्चंसக்கு நீங்க தான் ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். சரியா? A student prepared aqueous solution of the following. Okay. Write the color of each solution. Write the color of each solution. Number 1, copper sulfate. Number 2, ferrous sulfate. Number 3, sodium sulfate. Number 4, barium chloride. சொல்லுங்க அடுத்து 14th question. A solution of அது சரி பரவாயில்ல. ஏன் solution of copper sulfate was kept in an already discuss பண்ணிருக்கோம் iron pot after few days. The iron pot was found to have a number of holes in it. Explain the reaction with the help of chemical equation. You tell me what is the color of the solution? Copper sulfate, ferrous sulfate, sodium sulfate,
Copper
barium chloride.
sulfate, blue,
Copper
blue.
sulfate is blue.
Very good.
Ferrous
Ferrous
sulfate,
sulfate is green.
light green, really.
Light green or pale green.
Sodium sulfate is
Sodium sulfate
white,
is colorless.
colorless.
Or milky white சொல்லலாம்.
Hmm.
Barium chloride.
Barium, white colors.
அதனால colorless ன்னு சொல்லிடணும். Very good. இதுக்கு சொல்லுங்க. A solution of copper sulfate was kept in iron pot after few days.
Sir, as iron is more reactive than copper, so iron
Very good.
displaces copper from copper sulfate to form iron sulfate. So a particular portion of iron pot gets dissolved in the process, and that only causes the holes in it. So the equation is CuSO4 plus Fe gives FeSO4 plus Cu.
Very good now. If you are writing that answer, you will get the full mark. Good, good. Okay. So we will see the 15th question. Some article made of silver, copper, and iron get color coating over them when they are exposed to air. Identify the color and chemical name of the substance coating in each use, each case. என்ன நடக்கு? ஏர்ல பண்ணும்போது சில்வர் என்ன கலர்ல மாறும்? அது என்ன காம்பவுண்ட்?
silver gets coated with black color.
Silver is color. It coated with
Black color.
why? What is the chemical name?
Okay.
Correct. Your answer is correct. So when the silver react with air, airல sulfur இருக்கும் இல்லையா இதோட சேர்ந்துட்டு it will become Ag2S. So what is the name of the chemical name? Silver sulfide.
Right.
Silver sulfide.
Sulfide.
Number 2. Copper. Coated என்ன கலர்ல கோட்டடா இருக்கும்? நீங்க பாத்துருக்கீங்களா? இப்ப நீங்க வாட்டர் பாட்டில் வச்சிருக்கீங்கல்ல, காப்பர் வாட்டர் பாட்டில், அது என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கு? if you are not washing, மேல
Brown color. Wash பண்ணல.
வாஷ் பண்ணாம வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கும்?
Green color.
Very good. It will coated with green color. அப்படியே ஒரு நீட்டா you will get a straight line like that, no? So what is the chemical reaction?
Copper hydroxide.
Copper hydroxide only. Correct. So moisture copper oxide இருக்கும். When you take the hydrogen, copper hydroxide விடும். So it becomes copper oxide. ஆக்சுவலா காப்பர் 1 ஆக்சைடா காப்பர் 2 ஆக்சைடான்னு இருக்கு. Cu2O மாறும். ஓகே, கொஞ்ச நேரம் விட்டீங்கன்னா இன்னும் நல்லா பிளாக்கா மாறிடும். It become copper hydroxide. CuOH twice and copper hydroxide. அடுத்து அயன்.
So iron will be coated with reddish brown color.
What is that?
Reddish brown color. Ferric oxide, sir. Ferric oxide. Fe2O3.
Very good. So ferric oxide. This is what happened in that chemical reaction. So today we discussed this. Tomorrow what we can discuss, ma?
Acid base.
Same. Huh?
Same lesson, sir.
Same lesson we will discuss, right? So why the other peoples are not opening their mouth? Venkatanathan. Are you there, ma? Kaushik only is there, huh? Okay, Mavi.
Also there.
Oh, Rogita. Oh, you are from the. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have the online class. Next week we will have the offline class. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, but now you can leave.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.